Hi guys, and welcome to Life with Lillian. I am Lillian, and this is my kitchen after a weekend camping. It is a complete disaster, and it was time to get it cleaned up and ready to start the week.
I'm looking down from up in the sky. I don't quite get how I've been without you for all this time. Good God, I'm bent out of shape now. You got a body like a model. You got a body that you always find. Open up a bottle, and baby, you can have whatever you want. You taste so sweet, I can't help myself. You like candy, you like liquid honey. You taste so sweet, I can't help myself. You like candy, you like liquid honey. Oh.
Do you guys ever have those moments where you're like, no, let's just get the dishes home and we'll take care of them once we get there? Well, that's what this is. My husband's brothers came out. We had a big breakfast. It was delicious, but I just didn't want to do the dishes in the camper, so I brought them home.
You got a body like a model. You got a body that you always find. Open up a bottle, and baby, you can have whatever you want. You taste so sweet, I can't help myself. You like candy, you like liquid honey. You taste so sweet, I can't help myself. You like candy, you like liquid honey. You like liquid honey. You like liquid honey. No, you like liquid honey. You like liquid honey. You like liquid honey.
Right here you can see I am just cleaning things up after being gone, freshening up my house, getting all the dirt off. I don't know where all the dust comes from, but there's always dust on the counters, and just starting the week out clean.
I told you I'm not here to mess around, and you've been acting too mysterious. You didn't think I'd go, but do you